Have you ever wondered how to mine Bitcoin online? Welcome to the world of Bitcoin mining, an intriguing digital frontier where the intrepid can earn online. Imagine being a gold miner in the Wild West, but swap out the pickaxes for powerful computers, the gold for Bitcoin, and the Wild West for the World Wide Web. Bitcoin mining is the process of adding transaction records to Bitcoin's public ledger, known as the blockchain. Picture a giant publicly accessible ledger where every single Bitcoin transaction ever made is recorded. That's the blockchain. Miners perform complex calculations that validate these transactions, ensuring the integrity and security of the blockchain. In return for this vital service, miners are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin. It's a fascinating, complex, and potentially lucrative process. It's also a way some people earn online, navigating this digital frontier in search of valuable Bitcoin. Now that you know what Bitcoin mining is, let's delve into how you can do it yourself. Before we start, understanding a few basic concepts is essential. Let's begin with the blockchain. In its simplest form, the blockchain is a digital ledger, a record book, if you will, that's open to everyone and records every single Bitcoin transaction. It's an ingenious invention that eliminates the need for a central authority, like a bank, to oversee transactions. Every transaction is verified and bundled into a block. These blocks are then linked or chained together in chronological order, hence the term blockchain. Now, imagine the blockchain as a giant puzzle, where each block is a piece of this puzzle. The process of placing these pieces in the right order, or mining, is done by powerful computers solving complex mathematical problems. This brings us to our next concept, the hash. The hash is the solution to the mathematical problem that the computers are trying to solve. It's a string of numbers and letters, and it's unique to each block. In other words, the hash is what links the blocks together in the blockchain. When a computer solves the problem and finds the hash, a new block is added to the blockchain. This is the essence of mining, finding the hash and adding a new block to the chain. But why do people mine? Well, the first computer to solve the problem and find the hash is rewarded with newly minted Bitcoin. This incentivizes people to participate in the process, ensuring the blockchain's security and integrity. It's also important to note that mining isn't just about earning Bitcoin. It's about maintaining the blockchain, ensuring its accuracy and reliability. It's a critical part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and plays a key role in its functioning. With these basics in mind, we're ready to go into the actual process of mining Bitcoin. Setting up for Bitcoin mining requires some specific equipment. Let's delve into what you'll need to get started. First and foremost, you'll need a Bitcoin mining rig. This isn't your everyday computer. A mining rig is a dedicated piece of hardware designed specifically for mining cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. These rigs are built to perform complex calculations at lightning-fast speeds, a crucial aspect of the mining process. The better your hardware, the more efficient your mining operation will be. Think of it as a gold miner's pickaxe. The sharper and sturdier it is, the more gold they can unearth. There are various types of mining rigs available, from simple setups that you can run on your home computer, to sophisticated machines that cost tens of thousands of dollars. Your choice will depend on your budget, your technical expertise, and how seriously you intend to take your mining operation. But a mining rig isn't the only piece of equipment you'll need. A robust internet connection is also crucial. Mining Bitcoin is a 24/7 operation. Your rig needs to be online and running all the time. Any downtime means potential Bitcoins lost, so a reliable high-speed internet connection is a must. Next in line is a steady electricity supply. Bitcoin mining consumes a significant amount of power. In fact, it's one of the biggest costs associated with mining. Therefore, having a reliable and, if possible, affordable power source is key. Lastly, you'll need a digital wallet to store your mined Bitcoins. This is essentially your online bank account for cryptocurrencies. There are many options out there, so do your research to find one that best suits your needs. Remember, the world of Bitcoin mining is highly competitive. The better your equipment and setup, the better your chances of earning Bitcoins. It's an investment, and like any investment, it requires careful planning and consideration. Once you have all your equipment, you're ready to start mining. So stay tuned for the next scene where we'll talk about how to choose the right mining pool. Even with the best equipment, mining Bitcoin on your own can be challenging. Now imagine this. You're in a gold rush and you're trying to dig out gold all by yourself. It's a daunting task, isn't it? The same applies to Bitcoin mining. The solution? Mining pools. Mining pools are like a team of gold miners who decide to combine their tools and strengths. They work together to dig faster and more efficiently. In the world of Bitcoin, a mining pool is a network of miners who pool their resources together to mine a block. They then share the rewards proportional to their contributed computational power. Joining a mining pool can significantly increase your chances of earning Bitcoin. Instead of waiting for that elusive gold nugget, or in this case a Bitcoin block, to show up, you're getting a small piece of every block the pool mines. It's a consistent, albeit smaller, income. However, there's more to consider than just consistent rewards. Different mining pools have different payout systems. Some pay out immediately after a block is found. Others use a scoring system based on how much work you've done. Also, remember that most pools charge a fee, which can eat into your profits. These fees can vary, so it's worth shopping around. And size matters. Larger pools offer more regular payments, but smaller rewards. Smaller pools offer larger rewards, but they'll come around less frequently. And don't forget about the pool's reputation. You don't want to join a pool that's known for poor performance or shady practices. Do your research. Check out online reviews and forum discussions. So how do you choose the right pool? It all comes down to your personal preferences and circumstances. Are you after consistent smaller payments or larger, less frequent payouts? Are you willing to pay higher fees for a well-reputed pool? These are questions only you can answer. Choosing the right mining pool is a crucial step in your Bitcoin mining journey. It's a choice that can make or break your mining profitability. So take your time, do your homework, and make a wise choice. After all, in the world of Bitcoin mining, every little bit counts. The next step is to choose your mining software. Mining software is the magic that brings your hardware and the Bitcoin network together. It's the tool that communicates with the blockchain and allows you to dig for that digital gold. But not all mining software is created equal, and the one that's best for you will depend on your unique circumstances. There are many types of mining software out there, each with its own set of pros and cons. Some are suitable for beginners, offering easy setup and a user-friendly interface. Others are geared towards advanced miners, offering more complex features and customization options. For example, CG Miner is a popular choice among experienced miners. It's open source, compatible with most hardware, and offers a wealth of features. However, its command line interface can be intimidating for beginners. On the other hand, Easy Miner is a great option for those just starting out. It has a graphical user interface that's easy to navigate, and it works with both Bitcoin and Litecoin. But while it's a great tool for getting your feet wet, you might outgrow it as you become more advanced. When choosing your mining software, consider your level of technical expertise, what hardware you're using, and what cryptocurrencies you're interested in mining. You'll also want to consider the software's reputation. Read reviews, participate in online forums, and do your research. Remember, this software will be running on your computer, so you want to make sure it's safe and reliable. Once you've chosen your software, the installation process is usually straightforward. Most software comes with a guide to help you through the process. Just follow the steps, and you'll be up and running in no time. Keep in mind, though, that mining can be taxing on your computer. Make sure your system is up to the task, and consider investing in cooling equipment to keep your hardware running smoothly. With your mining software installed, you're almost ready to start mining. Now that everything's set up, it's time to start mining. With your equipment ready and mining software installed, you're all geared to begin. You'll start by launching your mining software and entering your pool's information. The software will then start solving complex mathematical problems on the Bitcoin network. As your system solves these problems, new blocks are added to the blockchain. This process is the heart of Bitcoin mining, and it's how you earn your rewards. For every block that your mining software helps to add, you'll receive a certain amount of Bitcoin. This is known as the block reward. The frequency of earning Bitcoin largely depends on the power of your mining equipment and the difficulty of the problems. In the early days of Bitcoin, miners could expect to earn a block reward roughly every 10 minutes. But as more people have started mining, the difficulty has increased. And there you have it. You're now a Bitcoin miner. Happy mining.